Today I'd like to show you how I lift slightly hooded eyes. Now I'm just going in with the Pony Cosmetics. This is the eye palette for blue eyes, and I'm just using a light tan and I'm placing that over my mobile lid and just up into my crease line there. Now I'm using a bit of a shimmer first and I'm placing that on the outer corner just to really make the blue eyes pop. This is a great palette for blue eyes. It's got some nice deep browns and copper shades. Now, as you can see, my eye's looking a little bit turned, and what we want to do is lift them. So we really need to lift that up. In order to do this, I'm going to take the same shade that I used in the beginning, a very matte tan shade, and I'm placing it not in the crease, just up towards the brow bone. And I'm really just patting that in, and then I'll start sweeping it towards my nose, just towards the inner corner, just to blend that out. So I'm taking a little bit more of the product, placing it into that crease up on the brow bone, and then sweeping that through towards my nose. And I'm really trying to make sure that it goes on top of that brow bone as well as in the crease. And a nice matte shade, a light shade like this one, will work on all eye colors. It's just giving the illusion that my eye is more open than what it is. So you can do this a couple of times. I'm bringing it a little bit further in that inner corner as well, just to carve out a real open shape. And I'll go a little bit quicker on the other side, but this just gives you a detailed view of how that's lifted this eye up, or given the illusion that it's lifted, as opposed to the one on the other side that is slightly hooded. And the reason my eyes are slightly hooded is due to age more than anything. So as we age, just the skin just gets a little saggy. So this is a really easy trick to just lift the eyes. Now I'm using a chocolate shade in this palette, and I'm using this as an eyeliner. So as opposed to using an eyeliner for today, I'm just using the eyeshadow. So this is another little trick where you can just use the eyeshadow as your eyeliner. And I'm just placing that along the lash line up the top. And I'm also going to place it underneath on the bottom lash line as well, just to give a little bit of definition. The good thing about using an eyeshadow is it just means you can smudge it out. You don't have to be as precise. So it's quite an easy way to get a bit of definition and depth to that eyeline without using an eyeliner. I'm adding a small amount more to that outer corner because I'd like to give a little bit more drama to my eyes. And once again, I'm blending it up into that crease line and slightly onto that brow bone, again to create lift. Finally, I'm just sweeping through with some mineral mascara from Youngblood. And then I'm brushing my brows with a brow gel from Fernando. And I'm just sweeping it through with another wand as well. This just showed you a quick little method of how you can help lift up the eyes if they are starting to get slightly hooded. As we age, they do start to move a little bit, but this way it just gives the illusion that they are a little bit more open than what they were. Hope that helps.